Hello everybody, my name is Scott Collins, and in this video I'm going to share with you a few tips and some tricks in setting up your screen layout if you are a facilitator, a teacher, or an instructor using Zoom. For the first tip, if you join Zoom and your entire screen is filled up, you're in full screen mode, right? You get out of that by double-clicking anywhere on this screen or tapping your escape button. And you get back here into the single window that's movable. It is sizable. This is one of the building blocks. We're going to create several independent building blocks. And then like a Tetris game, you can arrange those blocks for what works for you as a teacher in Zoom. So the next step is you want to open your participant window down here and your chat window. You want to be able to see both of these as you facilitate. But notice when I open them, my standard is they show up locked in this Zoom window, and I don't want that. I want them separate, unique, and individual. So I'm going to go up here to this little down arrow, click Pop Out. My participant window then pops out, and it's its own window. Now, how cool is that? Right? So I can put it over here. If I have a big class, I can see all the classes they come in. I know how they're connected, whether they're muted or not, whether they're raising their hands. So I go back over here to the Zoom window. I do the same thing with the chat. I click on this little down arrow, click the pop out. Boom, I've got another independent little Tetris block that I can put anywhere I'd like. I can make it big, small, whatever. And then I've got this Zoom window. So I'm going to take my Zoom window, which, by the way, when I have a lot of participants in this black window is where I will see the Brady Bunch view, right? All these webcams of participants in this window. If I want to see more of them, I can actually make it a little bit bigger. If I've got a wide screen, I can make it really, really big. If I've got a laptop screen, maybe it's not so big. But there you have it. I can now see my Zoom window, my participants, and my chat windows separate. So the very next step is the presentation view of, let's say, PowerPoint. When I open PowerPoint, here's a little secret that you should know. Go over here to PowerPoint, open up, click on Slideshow, and then set up Slideshow right there. And make sure this middle show type, browsed by an individual window, is checked. Click OK. Now my PowerPoint opens up and it doesn't take the entire screen. It just shows up in its own movable, sizable window again. Another one of those little Tetris blocks. So here you have it, all the little blocks you need, and you can customize this arrangement to your heart's content. If I've got a laptop, I can do just this. Now when I want to share my screen, because I like this normal view here, right? This is a normal view where I can see the slides that are coming and know how to do the transitions and the segues slide to slide. But I only want the participants to see this. Here's the secret. Click on Share Screen. Do not click on PowerPoint. Click on Advanced. Click on Portion of Screen. And if you've got any video or any audio in your presentation, make sure you check these two buttons at the bottom before you share that portion of the screen. Then you click Share, and boom, you get this little icon or window that turns orange when I grab it and turns green when I don't. You move that, size it right over what you want the participants to see. And now in this green window, that's all anybody who joins Zoom as a participant will see. I've got my control bar right here, so I've got easy access to my annotate bar. If I want to, say, draw something on the screen, I can do that very easily. I can open, close that. I can move this control bar wherever I want. I can move, do not move this window once you've got this set up, or else you'll have to move the green window again. But there you go. When you're done sharing the screen, you click Stop Share, and you have the Brady Bunch back in the view. All the participants who are there, I put them up here close, so I'm looking at the camera when I'm looking at them. When I want to share a screen again back on my presentation, maybe I've got a different slide up, right? I'll click Share Screen, click on Portion of Screen in the advanced window. My two items are checked. Boom. I share it. I can play my slides. I can play a video if I've got a video there to run, and I'm set. And with this option, you've got full view of the participants, see who has a hand raised. You can watch your chat, stop share. You can see the Brady Bunch here, and you've got your slide deck ready to go. Think of the options here. If you've got 2 screens, you can make the Brady Bunch fill one whole screen, move your participant window, move your chat window, even move your portion of your screen you're sharing over to the other side. It's all up to you. But with these tricks, you can make and create whatever Tetris puzzle you want that works best for you and allows you to see everything that's going on in the classroom. Hope you enjoy it. Hope it helps.